Today we are playing a very special game. Today we are playing Angry Birds Rio. So this game apparently is deleted. So yeah, today we're gonna play it. Fox Digital Entertainment, Blue Sky, the company who the company who created this game was Rovio. Yeah, obviously because Rovio created Angry Birds. Duh. And Blue Sky created Rio. So we're gonna play. So I'm gonna restart to the first level. Yeah. The Angry Birds get captured and then they get smuggled into a plane, taken to Rio, and then into the smuggler's den. And they just break out. So the first level is the tutorial. Like that. New high score. Hooray. I don't know what that caca means, but caca. I don't know what that caca means. Sorry, but let me just. Sorry, guys. My little cousin came in and just came in without permission. I have a few Angry Bird plushies. I have the green cage bird. Now it's just coming out. My score, wow. What do I score? So, yeah. Wow. Like honestly, why? What is this huge boulder that's just doing this? It doesn't do nothing. Oh, it frees all the birds. Well, not all of it, but it's perfect timing. Wow, another high score. Now I get the blues. Yay! Yay! Some levels are impossible to beat. Like, another question though? Why would they smuggle birds? So then when we get to the boss, we're probably gonna... Yay, I threw all of them. Hooray. Like here, you have to buy the Mighty Eagle. No, like, you can use it for free, but yeah. You can only use it per daily after or no high score this time. No high score. So we're gonna go all the way from here. Wait. Oh wait, I wasn't. Oh wait. Oh my god, I'm missing my time. Oh wait. So I'm in the living. I'll just Oh, we get Chuck. It's Chuck time! I have the green cage bird. Wow, game. Wow. No high score. Let me try that again. Like, honestly though, why would they smuggle birds? Oh, I get it now because of they have. Oh, okay, now. If you watch the movie Real, you possibly know why. Wow, like it was super impossible. Finally got a high score this time, yay. I genuinely forgot how to beat this one. This one was one of the hard levels. Well, yes, I still have. I don't remember. Oh, this one. Is that just a reference to the movie with the compact? We're just freeing some birds here. But I'm going back for that. Yeah, and that's it. Oh, no. Oh. It's been a long time since I played this. One bird. This level is so hard. Yes, let's go. Wait, did I see a pineapple? I'm not. So never mind. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. Oh, let's go! Oh, bad luck. Holy bad luck. Oh, no. Mr. Red, you help! Oh, this level just gets me. Oh, wait, I learned how to do this one. I used to do the Mighty Eagle for this one, but... I used to do the Mighty Eagle for this one, but... No! Oh, no. Oh my god, these... I'm becoming angry like the Angry Birds. But the tutorials... No, I don't need a samba bear. What the hell is a samba bear? Come with me. Alright, that's it. Mind you, this is the 29th level. Let's just skip this level because this... Now we get to the final level. In this level, you gotta free... these... Oh, what? We got blue and Jewel. No! I didn't free that one! What does the caca even do anyways? Doesn't help. I generally forgot how to beat that. Grrr. Let's go! Let's go! Now let's watch the aftermath. Blue is stuck with the chain, and then he's scared he's gonna fall, so they just walk, and then Nigel sends the monkeys, I don't know what type of monkeys there are, so to go after Blue and Jewel. And next episode is Jungle Escape. So thank you, bye.